Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope we're all drinking our water and minding our business. If you have not watched my last video, then you need to run over this and go watch it. But today we're going to be doing something different. We are actually going to be doing a nail haul. Now this nail haul does not include any acrylic products because I do not do acrylic anymore. So the two companies that I bought a lot of goodies from are Enail, Couture, and Apres. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start off by showing you what I got. So this is the Apres nail system. It's really cute. It comes in this nice, you know, carry-on case. It's very luxurious and it fits everything in there. Now let's open it up to see what we got. When you open it, you will have your pH bonder, your primer, your extend gel, top coat. They can hear you. You have X light. This is rechargeable, so it does turn on, but you have to power it on. It comes with 180 grit nail file. I use this system to create this nail set, so please excuse it. It also comes with this charger to recharge the nail lamp, and it comes with a manual for the nail light, and it also shows you how to use the system. Underneath, I got this kit in the sculpted Coffin extra long. It's soft gel, 250 pieces. It comes with 10 sizes, and they have a size of 00, but the kits do not come with that. You have to purchase that on your own. So this is what it looks like. The soft gel looks like this. It's very sturdy at the tip. It doesn't bend. Only at the cuticle because you want it to be flush when you use it. But yeah, it comes in all sizes, which is really nice. And one thing I do like about this kit is that on the sides right here, you can actually place your items right here. So your pH bonder, your primer, your extend gel, and you can put your top coat right here, and you can put your nail file over here. And I'm assuming the lamp light can go like right here or something, which is really nice. Right, some more stuff that I got from Apres. I got this really nice towel. I'm gonna take it out the package. This towel is like so beautiful. Like, I assumed I can use this for whenever I have clients and stuff, or like myself. It's really big, it's really nice, so I'm glad I really got this. I got some remover clips. This is for gel nails, so whenever I soak off the nails, it will be easy to wrap my fingers and clip them on, because usually I use a bowl and some acetone, and I hate having my hand up like that. So I figured take some foils, you know, cotton pad, wrap it on my finger, then have these on here. I've never used these before, so I'm hoping they work. I'm gonna take it out and see how they feel. So they seem promising, pretty sturdy. So yeah, I got this 100 and 180 grit. Apparently you can clean and sanitize it. I don't know how true that is, but I did use this because I used the Apres set last night to do my nails, and as I showed y'all before, this is it. This is the nail set, and I use this to like buff out the surface. It really does work, but I don't like to keep buying buffers for myself. Like, I like, you know, to reuse it. So if this is saying to clean and sanitize, then I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. I also bought the Extend Gel Sasha. This is soakable. This is a soft gel, and I got this one. It's just basically a colored Extend Gel. I got this one. This is the consistency of it, but I got this one because I wanted something close to my complexion, or you know, something that would suit it, and this looked like a nice nude. And so far I used it and I really like it. I'll actually insert a photo of it when I used it to adhere these nails before the design. It's a really beautiful color and it has a great consistency. I also got Sculpted Square Long Soft Gel, 500 pieces, same thing, 10 sizes. I use these on my nails. These are the nails too, but I did cut them down. I use these for this set and I really love this. Like, if you just file the sides just a little bit, it's gonna be a nice tapered square. It's like really nice. These stuck together, but, and the C curve is like impeccable. Just look at that C curve. That C curve is beautiful. This is my first time using their system, so I'm actually gonna see how they hold up and let you guys know. I'm glad I got these tips because I usually have Coffin and nothing else. Coffin and stiletto, but I wanted something, you know, different. I'm actually excited to try this. This is the Apres Trio Starter set. So it comes with a top coat, diamond gel, and iconic gel. So it's saying that the diamond gel is the strongest gel adhesive on the market. Diamond gel securely bonds large crystals to nails or gel tips with dazzling results that last 3 or more weeks. That is a very big promise to make, but I'm pretty sure they didn't make it for no reason. Then the iconic gel is the ultimate soft structured gel. Iconic gel seals and smooths edge gaps created by large crystals and smaller embellishments, creating a flawless look. It can also be used as an overlay seal for flat back embellishments like glass film and stickers. And then the non-wipe top gel coat. It is a non-wipe formula that leaves no tacky residue behind to clean up. Non-wipe top coat gel coat finishes off designs with an ultra shiny finish that won't yellow, peel, or chip. So this is really nice. I've been trying to find something that will properly adhere my nails because I've been using one from Amazon. That one done, so, and I don't really like it because it doesn't really last long. Like, it doesn't hold on to the big crystals. So I saw this and I was like, why not? I have yet to use the gel top coat from Apres, but a lot of people swear by it. Take these out and show y'all the gel top coat. It looks thick. Actually, it doesn't look thick. It has a nice consistency to it. It looks like this, like a really nice consistency. I'm gonna see how it holds up. My favorite top coat is from Kiara Sky. It's thick and I only have to put 1 coat of it. This is how the iconic gel looks. It says structure. It does soak off and it's a soft gel. I'm assuming I can use this for overlays on a natural nail. It does come with a seal, which is really nice. I might just keep this on if I can get it off. Wow. So definitely this consistency already, I can see that it's more on the thin side. It's like not watery, but it's on the thin side of as far as consistency. As you can see, whenever I move it around, it does move by itself. And it smells like gel, honestly. Now this is the diamond gel. It's a charm adhesive, like they say for the big charms and stuff, the crystals. Ooh. So this, you can see, it also has the same consistency, but it's more, it leaves like a little tail. It's definitely thicker than the iconic gel. Why didn't one go? Okay, this one went back on. I'm excited to use these though. So with Enail Couture, there's all this drama and this beef with Max because during quarantine he wasn't shipping out people packages and stuff, and I was kind of iffy about the whole ordering and if he was gonna give me my stuff, because I don't play with my coins and my nail products. I'm a product junkie, you know. But I took my chances. I've been debating this for a really long time, so I got 4 items by him that I was really looking forward to. So I got the Eternal Beige Coffin 123 Go Soft Gel Nail Extension. I got the French Coffin Tips, same thing, it's a soft gel. I got Sculpture Square and Medium. This is usually the length that I love because long nails and my natural nails do not go well. And also I have clients that don't like long nails, especially if they work in like the medical field and stuff like that. I got their velvet, what is this? Their velvet matte top coat. Yo, I used it on this set and look how velvety it looks. It's just so nice and like so pretty. Let me zoom in. It just looks so beautiful. I love it actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. The consistency for this. It's not very thick and it's not very watery, but you literally only need 1 coat of it. And it comes with this little cute, you know, crown at the top, cause purr. These are the 3 tips that I got from Enail Couture. They are all the same size, a size 3. This is Eternal Beige. It does not have much of a C curve, but definitely it's strong at the tip, and I can definitely get a lot of sets out of this. It's supposed to be like my base color tips, so I don't have to put on nail polish and stuff like that, the gel polish. But I'm gonna see what kind of look I can create. This is their Coffin. Now this comes pre-etched already because this is supposed to like save you time, so you don't really need to, so you can just prime the inside of it, put on your builder gel, your soft gel, and then press it on. But knowing me, I am definitely going to scrub the inside of it because I don't want my nails to be popping off, and I've never experienced any lifting popping off with Enail Couture because I used to have Nail Boxy and they sent me some of their products and I really love them. I love their base coat, and that's what I actually use to adhere my nails, and they be lasting like for a month and so. Now the only thing I don't like about this, I don't know if it's just me, but when the nail is straight, you can see that this is more higher up. This French side is more higher up than this side. Like it looks printed on, and it's supposed to be, you know, it's basically supposed to be made as a French. But I will actually try to scrub it off and see what happens. Actually, let's try it right now. Let's buff this surface and see if it does actually come off. Because if so, I don't like that. Yeah, see, I was right. that comes off.
Bruh.
So look at this. I know I'm not bugging. Look at that. It scratched off and I barely put any pressure on it. Well, now we know. Anyways, I guess I can't buff the surface with that one. Now, the medium sculpture square, this one is pre-etched as well. I don't need to worry about, you know, anything rubbed off on this, but I love his tips. I like his tips, and I've only used I used Eternal Beige before in stiletto. I also use medium square, and I used the almond shape one. They were all like clear. The only one that wasn't clear was the stiletto ones, even though I got both the stiletto and the Eternal Beige. But I love these tips, and I love his application system. Really nice, really cool. I had Kiara Sky and I didn't like it. But yeah, these are the 3 tips. I'm kind of upset about this because I am in a Facebook group and one girl was complaining that it was sideways. It was printed on sideways, and I'm like, I don't know, let me see for myself. So I'm excited to use all these things. I have a client tomorrow, so I'm definitely gonna be using the Apres system on her to see how it holds up. I'm definitely gonna make sure I tell her that it's my first time using the system, but I wanted to see how it holds up on other people. And it should be all good because they seem promising. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you've used any of these products, please let me know your thoughts down below. And just look out for my next video. Bye, ciao. Always remember, I'm minding my business and you